So good morning to all. Today we are going to see the lesson The Bus Stop That Ate Children. In previous grade we had seen there was one girl whose name was Precious. She was 10 years old. She had one big brother, yes, and his name was Capito. He always telling scary stories to her, and that's why she was frightening there. She thought that bus stop 8 children there because her brother said like that. But what was the reality there? What happened there? That we are going to see. What's wrong with you, Precious? She scolded herself as she waited for the bus to town. You are grown up now and scared out of your wits by bus stop. Shame on you. What's wrong with you, Precious? So we have seen Precious was frightening because her brother had told the story to her, and that's why she thought that bus stop is eating the children. And some thoughts were going on in her mind. What's wrong with you, Precious? So that's why she is telling to herself. वो खुद को ही बोलती है कि क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ? What's wrong with you? She scolded herself. मतलब वो खुद को ही blame करती है. वो खुद को ही बोलती है कि ये क्या बात है? As she waited for the bus to town, you are grown up now. Now she was waiting for the bus there. Yes, but she is telling, or she was thinking there, how could you think like that? वो खुद से कहती है कि तुम ऐसा कैसे सोच सकती हो? Now you are grown up. अभी तुम बड़ी हो चुकी हो. And scared out of your wits. Your wits means made very frightened by bus stop. Shame on you. मतलब तुम उस बस स्टॉप से डर रही हो. तुम्हें उस बस स्टॉप से डर लग रहा है. ये बड़ी बात है क्योंकि अभी तुम बड़ी हो गई हो, तुम्हें समझ में आती है बातें, और इतना होने के बाद भी तुम उससे डर रही हो. ये कितनी शेमफुल बात है. ये बात ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा खुद से ही प्रेशियस कहती है. She held her grass basket over her head like an umbrella to shade herself from the sun. Sun was very hot, and that's why she wanted to keep herself there safely, and she wanted to take the shelter in the bus stop. But she was frightened there, and that's why she didn't go there. But sun was very hot, so what she had done? She had taken the basket on her head to protect from the sun. बहुत तेज धूप थी और उसे खुद का वहाँ बचाव करना था, इसलिए प्रेशियस क्या करती है कि जो उसके पास बास्केट है उसे अपने सर के ऊपर पकड़ लेती है. She held her grass basket over her head like an umbrella to shade herself from the sun. So how she hold that basket on her head? Like the umbrella. जैसे हम अम्ब्रेला पकड़ते हैं ना, तो उसी प्रकार से वो बास्केट भी वहाँ पकड़ लेती है. She looked up and down the road in both directions, empty. Then she looked there, here and there, but no one was there. She was alone. The whole road was totally empty. वो इधर उधर देखती है कि वहाँ कोई उसे मिले या कोई उधर से जा रहा हो, लेकिन वहाँ कोई भी नहीं होता सिवाय प्रेशियस के. Precious shivered. She couldn't help recalling Capito's story about the witch tree. Precious shivered. Her story means children frightening. अब वो बहुत डर रही थी और डरने की वजह से क्या हो गया, वो आप कांप रही थी. She couldn't help recalling Capito's story about the witch tree. जो उसके भाई ने उसे स्टोरी बताई थी उसे वो याद रखने से या याद आने से रोक पा रही थी क्या? नहीं, बार बार उसे वही बातें याद आ रही थी. That place where you wait, Capito had said, where you wait for the bus inside the tree, that's the witch belly. Okay. What Capito said? Capito said, people wait there for the bus. And where people wait? They wait in the inside of that bus stop, and that was the witch belly. You know belly means stomach, जिसे हम पेट बोलते हैं. तो कभी इंतज़ार करते हैं बस के लिए। और वो कहाँ इंतज़ार करते हैं? उस पेड़ का जो भाग है, मतलब जो जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, पूरा एम्प्टी है, वहाँ वो इंतज़ार करते हैं। लेकिन एक्चुअली वो एम्प्टी जो हिस्सा है वही क्या है? उस विच की बेली है, उस विच का पेट है। इट्स ओके when grown up wait there, but when children wait for the bus all on their own, the witch belly begins to rumble. Kapito said, if grown up people wait there, it's okay. वो कहता है कि जो बड़े लोग हैं वो अगर बस स्टॉप पे वेट करें बस के लिए तो कोई बात नहीं, वो ठीक है। बट when children wait there for the bus stop, then it was very dangerous thing for the children. वो कहता है कि अगर छोटे बच्चे उस बस स्टॉप पे वेट करें तो उनके लिए अच्छा है क्या? नहीं, वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है। वो बहुत ही गलत या डरावनी बात है छोटे बच्चों के लिए। It's okay when grown-up wait there, but when children wait for the bus all on their own, the witch belly begins to rumble. Witch belly begins to rumble. The rumble actually one sound is there. जिसे आप बोलते हैं ना गरजना या गुड़गुड़ाना। Now see, when our stomach is empty, जब हमारा पेट खाली होता है तो पता है चिल्ड्रन वहाँ से एक आवाज़ निकलती है। तो यस, तो सेम वैसे ही आवाज़ कपिल तो कहता है कि किसके पेट से निकलती है? उस विच के पेट से निकलती है, या वैसे ही उस विच के पेट में होता है। When children were waiting there for the bus, that time some rumbling sound that witch belly felt there. That means she is hungry. और उसका मीनिंग क्या है? वो हंग्री है, मतलब उसे बहुत भूख लगी है। जब वो रंबलिंग की आवाज़ जब हम वहाँ सुनते हैं, ओके, तो क्या है वो? That witch was very hungry. And then Zip was just like zipping up your clothes. The witch tree closed up with the child inside it. Now you know how we zip our clothes. जैसे हम अपने क्लोथ्स की जिप लगाते हैं उसी प्रकार से वो विच क्या करती रहती है? उस बच्चों को, मतलब जो छोटे बच्चे वहाँ इंतज़ार करते हैं उनको अपने अंदर ले लेती है या पेड़ के अंदर उनको ले लेती है। The child may shout and scream. So when that witch was taking to the children inside that tree, that time children were shouting, they were screaming, but nobody could listen to them. कभी तो कहता है कि बच्चे चिल्लाने की कोशिश करते रहे, वो बहुत चिल्लाते हैं, लेकिन कोई वहाँ उन्हें सुन नहीं पाता। No one will hear, and after some time the witch tree opens up again, but where is the child? Okay, then after some time again that tree opened there, but where is the child? वो जो बच्चा है वो कहाँ गया है? The child is nowhere to be seen. वो बच्चा वहाँ कहीं भी दिखाई नहीं देता है। The bus stop is empty, and that bus stop again totally empty. And Precious had said, "Where is the child?" Even though she already knew the answer. Here, actually Precious knew the answer. उसे पता होता है आंसर कि जब वो अपने भाई को पूछेगी, when she asked to her brother, then what he will give the answer, she knew very well. उसका भाई उसे क्या आंसर करने वाला है उसे पता होता है, लेकिन फिर भी वो वहाँ जानबूझकर पूछती है कि वो बच्चा कहाँ गया? Where is the child? The witch tree has eaten her. Of course, Kapito had answered. And what answer had given by the Kapito? Kapito said that child was eaten by the witch tree. वो कहता है कि उस बच्चे को वो जो विच है, वो जो विच ट्री है वो खा गया है। Even her bones, इतना ही नहीं, उसने उसके बोन्स भी खा लिए, मतलब उसके बोन्स को भी नहीं छोड़ा। But the witch does not eat them all. If her belly is full, she keeps the child until she is hungry. But the witch does not eat them all. Kapito said, but the witch does not eat them all. वो कहता है कि जो विच है उस बच्चे को completely कभी खाती है क्या? वो नहीं। If her belly is full, अगर उसका जो stomach है वो full है, and if she didn't hungry, और अगर उसे भूख नहीं लगी है, then what she did there? She didn't eat that child. She kept that child for the another time. If her belly is full, she keeps the child until she is hungry. मतलब जब तक कि उसको भूख नहीं लगती तब तक वो उस बच्चे को वैसे ही रखती है। Do you see those bumps on the trunk of the witch tree? Again Kapito said to the Precious, have you seen that bump on the witch tree? वो कहता है कि आपने वो बम्स देखे हैं क्या जो विच ट्री पे है? Precious saw them. That is the witch ladder. The ladder means a cupboard or a small room in a house where food is stored. You know very well, children. A small cupboard or a small room is there where we keep the food. That is the witch ladder. तो कभी तो यहाँ कहता है कि तुमने जो बम्स देखे हैं ना, that bumps means that swallow, okay? सूजी हुई वो जगह या प्लेस. तो तुमने वो जगह देखी है क्या? एक्चुअली वो क्या है? That was the ladder of the witch tree. Kapito had said, "Put your ear close. You will hear the child inside calling out for help." Kapito said to the Precious, "You put your ear there, and definitely you listen the voice of the child." वो Precious से कहता है कि तुम उस पेड़ के नजदीक जाओ, वहाँ अपने कान लगाओ और सुनो. डेफिनेटली तुमको वहाँ किसकी आवाज़ आएगी? वहाँ तुमको एक छोटे बच्चे की आवाज़ आएगी. Don't be silly, Precious had said. You are only trying to frighten me. There is no child in there. Here Precious said to the Kapito, don't be silly. वो बोलती है कि तुम मूर्खता जैसी बात मत करो. You are only trying to frighten me. Now see children, when actually Precious is frightening. वो सच में डर रही है, लेकिन वो शो नहीं करना चाहती और इसलिए वो क्या बोलती है अपने भाई को? She said, You are only trying to frightening me. आप तो सिर्फ मुझे डराने की यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे हो. There is no child in there. Kapito, Precious said to the Kapito, there was no child. वहाँ कोई भी बच्चा नहीं है. She had put her ear against the witch tree's largest bump to show she was not scared. So as already I told you, actually she was frightening, but she didn't want to show, and that's why Precious had kept her ear near that tree, near that largest bump to show she was not scared. So understood why she had kept the ear near to that largest bump? Because she wanted to show that she was not frightened. वो सिर्फ इतना ही शो करना चाहती है अपने भाई को कि उसे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लग रहा है और उस बात का उस पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ है. But then she leaped back in horror. But suddenly she leaped back in her horror. Here horror means here frightened. She had heard the child, a tiny peeping voice inside the trunk. Okay, so why she had frightened there? Because she heard the voice of a small child. See, I told you, Kapito had said. You remember that small child who went missing from the next village. Then suddenly Kapito said, see, whatever I am telling there, that is true. Suddenly Kapito क्या कहता है कि देखो तुम, अभी तो तुम्हें विश्वास हो गया है ना कि जो भी मैंने तुम्हें कहा है वो सब सच है. See, I told you, Kapito had said. You remember that small child who went missing from the next village. Then Kapito said, did you remember? Before some time, a child was missing from the next village. क्या तुम्हें याद है कि जो एक बच्चा है दूसरे गांव से गुम गया था? But everybody says a leopard took him or a hyena. But people thought that child had taken by leopard or the hyena. लेकिन लोग तो यही कहते रहे या लोगों को यही लगा कि उस बच्चे को किसने उठा लिया है? एक तो लियोपार्ड ने उठाया होगा, नहीं तो हाइना. They don't know anything. Kapito said they don't know anything. वो कहता है कि उन्हें कुछ भी पता नहीं है. Kapito had said the child was probably waiting at this bus stop on his own. That poor child is probably inside that lump on the witch tree. Then what Kapito is telling? Kapito is telling, might be that child was waiting for the bus on the bus stop, and who had taken that? That witch tree had taken that child inside the tree. Understood? यहाँ Kapito कहता है कि हो सकता है वो छोटा बच्चा बस स्टॉप पर बस का इंतजार कर रहा हो और जब वो इंतजार कर रहा था तो उसे किसने वहाँ से अपने पेट में ले लिया? उस विच ट्री ने. it is his voice you are hearing now. What did he say? And he said that was his voice which you are hearing. I don't know, said Precious miserably. I bet he said, help me, said Capito, but nobody can help him. The witch tree has got him. Capito was telling to her sister, means to the Precious. Definitely I could say that child was crying there for the help. कपितो कहता है कि मैं पूरे विश्वास के साथ ये कह सकता हूँ कि वो बच्चा बहुत चिल्लाया होगा हेल्प के लिए, बट nobody could listen to him. लेकिन किसी ने भी उसे सुना नहीं होगा. And at last that child had eaten by that witch tree. So that is why Precious on that Saturday morning was keeping a safe distance from the bus stop. And that's why students, Precious has kept some distance from the bus stop. और इसी की वजह से Precious उस पेड़ से कुछ दूरी पर खड़ी थी, या उसने खुद को बचाए रखने के लिए एक डिस्टेंस वहाँ मेंटेन किया था. But then she heard something which made her blood turn icy cold even in that fierce sun. But suddenly Precious heard something, and because of that it made her blood turn icy cold even in that fierce sun. मतलब इतने तेज धूप में भी वो क्या हो गई थी वहाँ, बहुत श्योर कर रही थी, और she turned in icy cold. Tap tap tap. It was the largest worm on the witch tree, the one where Capito said the poor lost child was trapped. He was trying to escape. It was the largest worm on the witch tree. There was the largest worm on that witch tree, the one where Capito said the poor lost child was trapped. Capito said, might be that poor child was trapped there. He was trying to escape, and maybe he could try to escape from there. Tap tap, a hole happened in the trunk. Eyes, cried Precious, terrified. If she hadn't had a bus to catch, she would have run away. So we can understand, children, here when Precious had listened that voice, she was very frightening, and she was thinking, if she didn't want to catch the bus, if she didn't want to fulfill the responsibility, then definitely she would have run from there. वो खुद से कहती है कि अगर उसे अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फुलफिल नहीं करनी होती, उसे सामान मार्केट से लाना नहीं होता, तो डेफिनेटली उस बस स्टॉप से वो वहाँ से भाग जाती. The hole got larger. Soon a finger would poke through, or a hand. Then the head of the poor lost child would follow. That hole was very large there. Soon a finger would poke through. Then what will come out from there? A finger, then a hand, and at last head. But none of these things happened. So we can understand here, Capito said so many things to the Precious. हम यहाँ समझ सकते हैं कि किस तरह से वहाँ Precious डरी हुई थी, क्योंकि उसका जो भाई है उसने ऐसे कुछ उसे बातें बताई थी कि जिसकी वजह से वो वहाँ बहुत डर गई. उसके भाई ने उसे बताया था, yes, Capito had said previously what comes there, finger, then hand and then head. एक एक करके ऐसे सब बाहर आएगा. लेकिन जब Precious वहाँ डरती है, वो देखती है, तो ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? No, nothing happened there. But none of these things happened. Squeezing through the hole in the witch tree came a tiny rumpled baby bird. It flopped onto the nearest branch exhausted. Squeezing through the hole in the witch tree came a tiny means small, and rumpled means untidy, okay, or ugly. Baby bird, it flopped from means sat down heavily because of being tired. Onto the nearest branch exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. So we can see, children, see there. Can you see that picture? See page number 39. Yes. And see that tree. Mother bird was sitting on the top of the tree, and that small birds were flying there. and they also wanted to sit near to their mother. Squeezing through the hole in the witch tree came a tiny, rumpled baby bird. It flopped in on to the nearest branch exhausted. Okay, so we can see there those birds were flying there and they wanted to sit there. Precious forgot how scared she was. When Precious had seen that whole situation, then suddenly she forgot how she is scared. जब Precious देखती है कि उस होल में से कोई बच्चा है, उसका हाथ नहीं बाहर आ रहा है, तो उसके बजाय क्या बाहर आ रहा है, वो छोटे छोटे बर्ड के जो बच्चे हैं वो बाहर आ रहे हैं, तो वो भूल जाती है कि वो कितना डरी थी. She forgot that the witch tree might zip her up inside and eat her, and she forgot that witch tree could take her inside and that tree could eat her. वो ये भी भूल जाती है कि वो पेड़ उसे अपने अंदर ले लेगा और उसे खा जाएगा. She came up close. She put her eye against the hole. She came near to that tree and she was watching there. तभी तो she grinned to herself, you are the bird's greatest liar. और जब वो देखती है कि वहाँ से छोटे छोटे बर्ड्स के बच्चे निकल रहे हैं, तब वो देख के खुद ही हंसती है और अपन खुद से कहती है कि कभी तो मेरे भाई, तुम इस दुनिया के सबसे बड़े झूठे इंसान हो. तुम्हारे जैसा झूठ तो कोई बोल ही नहीं सकता. For inside the witch tree was not a poor lost child, but a nest of the hornbill chicks. Here hornbill means a type of bird with a horn like a crow on its bill. For inside the witch tree was not a poor lost child. Actually, inside of the tree there was not a lost child. वो जो ट्री था उसके अंदर कोई बच्चा था क्या? नहीं. Instead of that, what was there? There were small chicks of that bird. वो जो birds है उसके वहाँ क्या थे? छोटे बच्चे थे. The mother bird had sealed them in with mud to keep them safe from snakes and eagles, and that mother bird had kept her chicks there because she wanted to protect themselves from the eagles and the snakes. वो जो मदर बर्ड थी उसने उस बच्चे को या उसके जितने भी बच्चे थे वहाँ उसने उनको रखा था, क्योंकि वो जो मदर बर्ड है उसे स्नेक से या ईगल से अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करना था और इसीलिए उन बच्चों को वहाँ रखती है. But now they had hatched and they were breaking out one by one. But now they hatched and that's why they were coming out there one by one. The mother bird was on the topmost branch of the witch tree, and the mother bird had sat on the topmost branch of the tree. और जो मदर है वो ट्री की सबसे ऊंची शाखा पर बैठी है. She was calling her chicks to join her, and from there she was calling to her chicks to join her. और वहाँ से वो अपने बच्चों को बुलाती है कि तुम भी आओ और यहाँ आकर मेरे पास बैठो. Tap tap tap, another chick came tumbling out. Precious laughed. So when those chicks were coming there, so while coming they were making this sound tap tap. तो जब वो छोटे बच्चे उस बर्ड के वहाँ से आते हैं तो वहाँ से साउंड निकलता है और वो साउंड सुनने के बाद प्रेशियस खुद ही हंसने लगती है. I never really thought, she told herself, that the bus stop would eat me. वो कहती है कि मैंने तो ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था या मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं था कि कोई बस स्टॉप बच्चों को खा सकता है और मुझे खा सकता है. Only someone with a head as empty as this basket would think that. You want this bus or not? Called the bus driver. So here we can understand, children, Precious forgot all the things. She forgot about the bus also, and she was totally busy, or she was totally attracted towards that bird. You want this bus or not? Called the bus driver. Then in between, bus came there, and that bus driver asked the Precious, do you want the bus? वहाँ बस आ जाती है और वो ड्राइवर प्रेशियस से पूछता है क्या तुम्हें जाना है, तुम्हें बस चाहिए कि नहीं. The bus had come without Precious even noticing. Precious sat on the bus, Caswa Bean's lies, she said, so she couldn't forget. Then suddenly she sat down on the bus and she was remembering there what she wanted to purchase there. She wanted to purchase their caswa, beans, rice. और वो क्यों खुद को वो याद दिला रही है? ताकि वो भूले नहीं. Then she thought about the new baby. Maybe it would have arrived by the time that she got home. Then she was thinking for the new baby. फिर वो उस नए बच्चे के बारे में सोचती है कि जो उनके घर में आने वाला है. And then she thought might be he would arrive by the time that she got home. वो सोचती है कि जब तक वो घर जाएगी हो सकता है कि वो नया बेबी घर में आ गया होगा. Would Precious tell her new brother or sisters scary stories about the child eating bus stop? Would Precious, क्या Precious जो उसका भाई या बहन जो नया आने वाला है उसे स्कैरी स्टोरीज बताएगी जैसे कपितो ने उसे बताई थी? Stories like the ones Kapito told her. Of course she would. And she said, of course, बताना चाहिए. इतनी अच्छी स्टोरी कोई मिस करता है क्या? इतनी अच्छी स्टोरीज तो डेफिनेटली बतानी चाहिए. For it would be a great shame, wouldn't it? It's so best to waste a good story. Then she was telling to herself, we should not waste. वो खुद से कहती है कि वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. इतनी अच्छी स्टोरी तो डेफिनेटली उसे बताना ही चाहिए. So in this way, we can understand here actually that bus stop was not eating the children. Precious had said all things to the Kapito had said whatever things to the Precious that were the wrong. At last Precious understood there. She was very happy. Yes, so I hope you understood this lesson, children, very well.